Anyways, it's it's just a little colder out here than usual. And I am trying to, there it goes. For some reason I can't get to the thing that flips it around so you guys can see the sunrise. This is crazy. Oh, there it goes. Alright. Technical difficulties. There you go. Ah, there it is. Yay! So, I was actually going to talk about silence, because winter is a very silent time, right? And a couple years ago, I did something where I was driving home from work, and then I stopped listening to the radio, so I could just hear silence, which means that I was really listening to my brain, which is sometimes alarming, you know, because where your brain goes, and some cool things happen when you just let silence happen. And so today, that's what I was going to let happen. I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to just let you guys hear the waves, watch the sun. Maybe I'll move it around some. But that's it. It's just going to be silent. But I really hope that you take the minute to just enjoy what nature's providing and listen to not the silence, but the words of nature. Up. I'm here, I promise. But man, I am bundled up too. It is, even with my bundling up, it's cold. But I really don't care, I promise. So, I hope you guys have a great day. It's funny, I can now see the sun rising on my face. Just the difference, what my face looks like now versus a couple minutes ago. Amazing. It'll warm up the world. So, hope you guys have a great week, and a good, make it a good one. And say goodbye to Dashy. Dashy's going to go for a little walk too. Alright. See you guys later.